Pakistan Navy ship Yamama recently visited the Turkish ports of Gölcük and Aksas. During the visit, the ship participated in exercise Mavi Vatan 2025 with the Turkish Navy, aiming to enhance mutual cooperation and joint operational capabilities. A high-level defense delegation from Bangladesh, led by Lieutenant General S.M. Kamral Hassan, Principal Staff Officer of the Armed Forces Division, met with Pakistan Air Force Chief, Air Chief Marshal Zahir Ahmad Babar Sidhu, in Islamabad. Pakistan has integrated drone technology into its counterterrorism strategy, utilizing unmanned aerial vehicles for surveillance and targeted operations against militant groups. This approach aims to enhance precision in neutralizing threats while minimizing risks to military personnel. Pakistan military has dismissed recent comments by the Indian Army chief alleging Pakistan to be an epicenter for terrorism, calling the accusations baseless and an attempt to deflect from India actions in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, IOJK. India is poised to finalize for major defense contracts worth over 1.5 Indian rupees lakh crore before March 31, 2025. These include acquiring 26 Rafale marine fighter jets from France, 3 additional Scorpion submarines, 156 Prakand light combat helicopters, and 307 advanced towed artillery. Baktar Shikan is a man-portable anti-tank guided missile system produced under license in Pakistan. It operates on the principles of optical aiming and infrared tracking, with guidance signals transmitted via wire. On January 17, 2025, Pakistan achieved a significant milestone by launching its first indigenously developed electro-optical (EO-1) satellite from China Jiuquan Satellite Launch Center. Developed by the Pakistan Space and Upper Atmosphere Research Commission, SUPARCO, the EO-1 satellite is designed to enhance the country's capabilities in land mapping, agricultural monitoring, urban planning, disaster management, and environmental observation. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif lauded this achievement, stating that the EO-1 represents a leap forward in Pakistan's journey towards progress. This development underscores Pakistan's commitment to advancing its space technology for peaceful and developmental purposes. In January 2025, the Iranian army received the Azarakhsh, a domestically developed short-range air defense missile system unveiled in August 2024. Designed to protect against low to medium-altitude threats, the Azarakhsh is equipped with advanced 3D radar and optical search systems, enabling it to detect targets up to 50 kilometers away. This system can be deployed on various platforms, both fixed and mobile, and is capable of operating in diverse weather conditions, day and night. The introduction of the Azarakhsh underscores Iran's commitment to enhancing its air defense. Pakistan is making bold strides in the global defense industry, showcasing its cutting-edge drones, state-of-the-art radars, and advanced fighter jets. With a target of $500 million in arms exports, the nation aims to solidify its presence in the international market. This impressive display of technology highlights Pakistan's growing capabilities in defense production, innovation, and its commitment to contributing to global security needs. From unmanned aerial systems to modern radar systems, Pakistan's defense sector is ready to compete on a global scale. Pakistan's state-owned defense conglomerate, Global Industrial and Defense Solutions, GIDS, is developing the FAAZ series of Beyond Visual Range Air-to-Air Missiles, BVRAMs, including the FAAZ-1 and FAAZ-2 variants. The FAAZ-2 is designed for long-range engagements, boasting a range of 180 kilometers and a maximum speed of Mach 3.5. It features dual seeker options, active radio frequency, RF, and imaging infrared, IR, enabling it to target various aerial threats such as aircraft, unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, and helicopters. Pakistan's state-owned defense conglomerate, Global Industrial and Defense Solutions, GIDS, is developing the FAAZ series of Beyond Visual Range Air-to-Air Missiles, BVRAMs, including the FAAZ-1 and FAAZ-2 variants. The FAAZ-2 is designed for long-range engagements, boasting a range of 180 kilometers and a maximum speed of Mach 3.5. It features dual seeker options, active radio frequency, RF, and imaging infrared, IR, enabling it to target various aerial threats such as aircraft, unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, and helicopters.